A developer spends an hour refining a prompt for an internal support assistant. The instructions are precise, the format is strict, the tone is professional. Then the assistant confidently tells a customer that an expired refund policy is still active. Nothing was wrong with the wording. The model followed the prompt and reasoned over the wrong evidence. That is the limit of prompt engineering. A polished instruction can still produce a polished mistake. Reliable AI requires control over two things: what the model is asked to do and what information it is allowed to believe. The first is prompt engineering, the second is context engineering. Modern AI failures often begin before the model generates its first token. The developer traces the failure. The system prompt says to answer only from company policy. The user asks whether an order placed 40 days ago can be refunded. The assistant receives three documents: a current 30-day policy, an older 60-day policy, and a meeting note discussing an exception that was never approved. All three look authoritative inside the context window. The model chooses the older rule because it contains the clearest sentence. The prompt was careful, but the evidence was ambiguous. Once conflicting information enters without hierarchy, generation becomes a guessing problem disguised as reasoning. The obvious response is to rewrite the prompt. Be cautious, double check the policy, never invent fact, mention uncertainty. Those instructions may improve behavior, but they cannot identify truth by themselves. A language model does not understand document ownership or know which file replaced another unless that information reaches it. Tell it to use the latest policy without timestamps, and latest becomes empty language. Tell it to ignore irrelevant context while mixing policies, drafts, and chat logs together, and relevance becomes another prediction. Prompt engineering shapes the reasoning procedure. It does not guarantee the reasoning substrate. The key shift is simple: stop treating context as a pile of text and start treating it as a runtime product. Context engineering is the process of selecting, ranking, transforming, labeling, and assembling the information a model receives for a specific task. The prompt remains important, but it becomes one layer inside a larger system. For the support assistant, the system must retrieve the current refund policy, exclude superseded versions, attach effective dates, preserve the customer's order facts, and mark unresolved exceptions as uncertain. Only then should the prompt explain how to reason. Prompts define the job. Context defines the world in which the job is performed. Reliability depends on both. The first layer is still the instruction stack. System messages establish role, boundaries, and non-negotiable rules. Developer instructions define workflow and output contracts. User messages provide the immediate request. Examples demonstrate correct behavior when prose is ambiguous, but these layers need separation. If customer text can override policy rules, prompt injection becomes possible. If examples contradict the system message, behavior becomes unstable. In the support assistant, instructions should define authoritative sources, abstention rules, uncertainty handling, and actions requiring approval. Good prompts are not clever sentences. They are executable operating constraints. Now the full architecture appears. A request enters with the customer question and account state. Retrieval searches approved sources. Ranking prefers current, applicable, high authority evidence. Filtering removes duplicates, obsolete documents, and unrelated passages. Transformation compresses long material while preserving dates, exceptions, and definitions. Metadata labels every chunk with source type, ownership, version, and freshness. The instruction layer tells the model how to use this package. Finally, an evaluator checks whether the answer follows the supplied policy, respects the refund window, and avoids unsupported promises. This is not one prompt, it is a controlled pipeline deciding what the model can see, what it should trust, and how its answer will be tested. More context is not automatically better context. Filling the window with every policy, ticket, and transcript often increases contradiction rather than knowledge. The support assistant needs a hierarchy. Published policy outranks drafts. Approved exceptions outrank informal suggestions. Account records outrank recollection for transaction dates. Recent versions outrank superseded ones. That hierarchy can be encoded through retrieval filters, metadata scores, or explicit labels. The model should not receive 10 documents and be asked to discover authority. Authority should already be designed into the package. Context quality is measured by how little ambiguity remains after selection. Long conversations, policies, and tool outputs cannot always fit together, so systems summarize them, but compression is not neutral. A summary that keeps the 30-day rule and drops the holiday exception may be shorter and less accurate. A summary saying customer requested a refund may omit that the product arrived damaged. The fix is structured compression. Preserve decision-critical fields, dates, numbers, exceptions, unresolved questions, and provenance. Separate facts from interpretations. Never summarize uncertainty as if it were settled. In the support scenario, compression should reduce wording, not remove the conditions that determine eligibility. Even perfectly selected context expires, policies change, inventory moves, and customer status changes after retrieval. Freshness cannot be a sentence in the prompt. The system must enforce it through timestamps, version checks, cache rules, and refresh triggers. High-risk answers may require live tool calls instead of stored summaries. The support assistant must know when a policy became effective and whether a newer version exists. Use current information is an intention. Freshness controls make it operational. The hidden danger is that every layer can erase uncertainty. Retrieval may return a weak match. Ranking may assign a confident score. Compression may convert possibly eligible into eligible. The model then produces a fluent answer that looks more certain than the evidence ever was. Reliable systems preserve uncertainty as data. Claims can carry provenance, missing fields, confidence, and conflict flags. In the refund case, the order date may be verified while the exception status remains unresolved. The correct answer is not a smoother guess, it is a bounded response. The standard policy says no. One exception may apply, and a human must confirm it. Fluency should never upgrade weak evidence into strong truth. The developer can turn this into a repeatable workflow, define the decision, list the minimum facts required, identify authoritative sources for each fact, retrieve relevant evidence, attach metadata and version information, resolve or expose conflicts, compress with a schema that preserves decision-critical details, then assemble instructions, examples, user input, retrieved facts, and tool results into separate sections. After generation, validate claims against the supplied context and route risky actions through approval. Debugging now changes from why did the model answer badly to which fact was missing, which source was misranked, and where did uncertainty disappear. Prompt tests are too narrow because the same instruction can succeed or fail with different context. Evaluation should introduce stale documents, conflicts, missing fields, malicious text, and ambiguous evidence. Measure whether the system selects authoritative sources, preserves critical details, abstains when required, and grounds outputs in supplied facts. The real unit under test is the prompt plus context configuration at runtime. Once teams evaluate that package, reliability work moves from wordsmithing toward engineering. Prompt engineering is not disappearing, It is becoming one component of a more complete discipline. Prompts specify behavior, context supplies evidence, retrieval decides what enters, hierarchy decides what wins, compression decides what survives, freshness controls decide what can still be trusted, evaluation decides whether the system worked. The support assistant becomes reliable only when these pieces operate together because the model cannot reason beyond the world it is given. That is the strategic implication for AI engineers. Do not merely optimize the question, engineer the information environment. A model with an average prompt and excellent context can often recover. A model with a brilliant prompt and corrupted context will fail beautifully.